Hello, little artists. Today we're going to draw a beautiful hot air balloon scenery. First, draw the big hot air balloon in the center. Make a large, rounded shape. Then, draw the ropes and the small basket underneath. Next, draw two smaller hot air balloons, one on the left. Great job!
Just for you. Balloon, balloon, don't fly.
And one on the right.
Stay with me where we are.
Please subscribe to my channel, Tom Sketch, and turn on the bell so you never miss a new drawing video.
You go. Balloon, balloon, light
Draw the beautiful mountains at the bottom.
back down and
Let's add some cute fluffy clouds around the balloons. Now draw the sun in the sky and add small rays around it.
floating.
Now let's bring it to life with beautiful colors. Let's color each part step by step. First, fill the middle section with bright yellow.
Way up high. Red and
Color the first section orange.
too pretty.
Now color the center section red. Try to color smoothly without going outside the lines. And finish the last section with yellow. Now color the balloon basket dark brown. Add a little lighter brown to give the basket a nice textured look. Let's move to the small balloon on the left. Color the top part yellow. Fill the middle sections with bright green.
Play with me. Balloon
Now color the lower sections blue-green.
floating gently, soft and slow. Balloon, balloon.
Add yellow to the small band above the basket. Left basket. Start with bright blue at the top.
Red and blue and yellow too.
Color the middle band yellow.
Colors just for you.
Then fill the lower sections with orange.
Don't fly far. Stay with me where we are. Up and down.
Did you enjoy this drawing? If you did, please like this video. Subscribe to Tom's Sketch.
Balloon, light and free. Come back.
Finally, color the ropes light gray and the basket brown.
Balloon, balloon.
Color the sun yellow and add a little orange.
Floating gently, soft and slow. Balloon, balloon.
Now let's color all the fluffy clouds bright blue.
Drifting, drifting way up high. Red and blue and yellow too.
Use yellow on the mountain peaks to create beautiful highlights. Add bright green in some areas for texture.
Fly far, stay with me where we are.
Finally, fill the mountains with dark green.
To and
Wow! Look at our beautiful, colorful hot air balloon scenery.
go.
I hope you enjoyed coloring with me.
Goodbye.
Free.